Gunfire and anti-aircraft blasts were heard near Venezuela's presidential palace as chaos unfolded after Maduro's ouster. In fact, Venezuela descended into chaos as heavy gunfire was heard near the presidential palace in Caracas after Maduro was taken by the United States. Extraordinary vision emerged on social media. These are all videos that have been posted on social media that appear to capture the sound of the hail of bullets falling on the Venezuelan capital, with the local residents saying the anti-aircraft blasts were heard from the general vicinity of the presidential palace after days of chaos in the streets since Maduro and his wife were captured from their home and whisked to the United States to face drug trafficking charges. These are the visuals that are coming in from Venezuela on the situation currently, because gunfire and anti-aircraft blasts have been heard. This even as the interim government has been sworn in. Remember, Donald Trump has already warned Venezuela's new leader, and these were the scenes that were witnessed previously for the residents. This is how it all unfolded. So, Rishabh, my colleague joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Rishabh, this is a look at what the situation was in Venezuela amid the questions that have been raised. We're told that these are older images that have come in with people who have uploaded them when the United States had entered Venezuela. Are these what scenes were like in Venezuela? What are the details of these videos?
Well, yes, these are the visuals from the Saturday afternoon, India time, when the Delta forces along with DEA of United States entered the presidential palace. What we're given to understand that these are the visuals that were captured then and now being shared on social media and other platforms. U.S. used force, and everyone knows that U.S. used force to abduct, Maduro and his wife from Caracas and have taken them to New York. These visuals clearly showcases that how the operation, which U.S. is calling Operation Final Resolve, took place, and how within minutes Maduro was in U.S. custody and was being flown out of Caracas.
Okay, all right. Sirens were blaring and the United States invading. And Rishabh, also, what is currently the situation in Venezuela with the new leader, Delcy Rodriguez, taking oath or swearing in? What's expected next in Venezuela? Is there going to be cooperation with the United States? Because Donald Trump has made it very clear that she must do what's right. But what's right according to the United States?
Well, Rodriguez yesterday made a statement where she extended an olive branch to United States, said that her government, she is right now an interim or acting president of Venezuela. She says that government of Venezuela, people of Venezuela are ready to work with U.S. in full cooperation. They want to have a mutual future, is what Rodriguez in her statement said. She also invited U.S. to Venezuela for further discussion to de-escalate the situation between Caracas and Washington. So, yes, Rodriguez has taken over the acting presidency, and the way she has started her presidency looks like that Venezuela wants to blink first. They're ready to blink first, with a condition, with a rider, that U.S. needs to stop escalating situation with Venezuela.
Okay, all right, Rishabh. Thank you for joining us with those details.